Hey, so good morning. It's Saturday morning. It's nice and early. It's really cold. And I'm here at my newest listing at 41 and 4547 Bridgeport Avenue. Located just minutes from downtown, Shelton is a vibrant community where convenience meets opportunity. Surrounded by a thriving mix of apartments, businesses, retail shops, and delicious restaurants. We are excited to present an exceptional commercial opportunity in the heart of Shelton. This versatile property consists of 2 separate units, both fully zoned for commercial use, offering endless possibilities for your business needs. On the ground floor, you'll find 4 spacious retail spaces, perfect for boutiques, cafes, or any retail venture looking to attract the local community and visitors alike. Upstairs, there are 4 modern office spaces, ideal for professionals seeking a prime location with easy access to downtown amenities. Situated close to downtown Shelton, this property benefits from high foot traffic and a steady flow of potential customers from nearby apartment buildings and bustling businesses. So whether you're looking to establish a new retail presence or expand your office operations, this location offers the perfect blend of accessibility and visibility. But best of all, while the property is zoned for commercial use, you have the flexibility to utilize the spaces as you see fit, whether that means operating within the zoning guidelines or exploring other lucrative opportunities, allowing you to easily generate rental income from multiple tenants. I also offer a comprehensive PDF of all the approved plans that I can email you immediately. So listen, I'm Jay Cannone. You can call me or text me at 203-209-2529 or email me at jay@jaycannone.com. I hope you enjoy the drone shot. Have a good day.